Hey guys, Nick here, and today I'm going to run you through how to use the stretch tool. This is one of the most commonly used tools in my arsenal for 2D CAD. Really helpful and just makes your workflow so much quicker. So looking at this screen, the benefit of using the stretch tool is being able to move a lot of things at once. So if I wanted to change the length of these lines, for example, I can stretch them all, make them shorter, I can change the angle of them, etc. So in order to do it, type in stretch, and then you're going to want to select the points. So it's quite important here that you using the green selection tool, and you're covering the points. So if I show it like this, you want to make sure that you are covering the points that you want to actually move. If I do it from the other end, for example, it's not going to select anything, and if I do it for the whole thing, it's going to move the whole, like it's going to move both end points, so there's going to be no use to you. The next thing is to make sure, like if you have fillets or arcs, to make sure you get both ends, otherwise you're going to lose the curvature of those. So for example, if I was to miss the end of the tangent end of that arc, it's going to do something funky like this, where I'm going to lose the arc tangency at both ends. So you want to make sure you encompass that full arc if you want to move it, and you'll get a nice clean movement of the fillet there. An example of this also is this circle here. You can kind of see it acting like, if I select here, I haven't covered the center point, nothing's going to move. Whereas if I try that again, cover the whole thing including the center point, then it'll move the whole thing from the center. So that's the mechanism behind the stretch tool. It's really grabbing endpoints of lines, endpoints of arcs, the center points of arcs. Yeah, so I hope that kind of explains it, and let me know if it's helpful. Cheers.